Hi guys, it's Dr. Chan here. Welcome to my first episode of Kidney Stone Kitchen, where I share with you whether some of your favorite foods are good or bad for you if you've got kidney stones. Today we're going to learn about how to make one of my favorite Taiwanese drinks, bubble milk tea or boba milk tea. Let's start by learning how to make bubble tea pearls from scratch using tapioca flour. So overall, bubble milk tea comes out to about 16 milligrams of oxalates per cup. The bubble tea pearls don't actually have any oxalates in them because they're made up of tapioca flour. However, the tea itself, the brewed tea, is moderately high in oxalates. It's got about 14 milligrams per cup. Now, one hack that you can do if you want to reduce the amount of oxalates even further is to use instant brewed tea. This stuff has no oxalates in it. So in conclusion, the verdict is that bubble milk tea's got about 16 milligrams of oxalates in a cup of it. So you can enjoy it every once in a while because it's still less than the 100 milligrams of oxalates per day that you should be trying to keep yourself under. That does it for this episode of Kidney Stone Kitchen. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and give us a like. Let me know down in the comments section below if there's any certain foods, favorite foods of yours that you'd like for me to talk about. Have a great rest of your day.